Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. We're heading into CVS today, but I want to share a little bit with you guys about something that was really on my heart. And you know, we're in this season where we're buying so many gifts and we're giving gifts, and we don't do those things to get something back. And I hope you guys all know that. When I make blessing bags, when I give those blessing bags out, I'm not giving those blessing bags out so I can get something back. My daddy always says, you'll get another, crown in heaven. But I always say, I don't do that just to get a crown in heaven. I do that because I'm blessed. I'm blessed with the knowledge of couponing. I'm blessed that I can give back. When I was growing up, I didn't have a lot. And to have things like soap and toilet paper is such a huge blessing for me now, because I didn't have that all the time when I was growing up. And so now that I'm able to make these blessing bags and give to people, it makes my heart happy that I can take this knowledge that the Lord has provided to me to give to people who are in need. And when I give those out, I ask for nothing in return. We always give out a bag with socks and a Bible in it, and I'm just hoping that one of those people that I pass out, if I pass out 100 bags, I'm hoping one of those people will read the word of the Lord and to feel what I feel and to be blessed like I'm blessed. And I hope you guys are all in that way too. So as we go into the store today, I might get things I don't need, and that's fine, because I know that somebody else does need it and I will give it away to them. So keep that on your heart, keep that on your mind today as we're in this crazy season of buying and giving. Know that we are blessed with this knowledge that we can give to somebody else who may be in need. All right, praisers and savers, let's get inside CVS. Praisers and savers, the very first thing that we're getting is a no coupons needed deal. These are 99 cents for some of these vitamins. I'm just curious as to which ones it is. We actually use these vitamin D's 1,000 unit ones. These are 99 cents. They're usually $9.79. So there's a limit of 3 on this, so you can only pick up 3 of these. So I'm going to pick up that. Got one of those vitamin D's, I think. Also, there's a B12 that's part of the 99 cents that you can pick up. We also use melatonin. I don't know where that's at, somewhere in here. And then there's the melatonin right there. That's 99 cents for that one, and that's going to be on the 5 milligram. And then the next one is going to be the zinc 50 milligrams. So be careful, make sure you read the tags to make sure they're 99 cents. So no coupons needed on this deal. You can only get 3 of them. All right, we're going to do the spend 30, get $10 back on extra care bucks. I love these deals. We're picking up these Tide Pods, and if you guys have not noticed that this price has changed, these are usually at $11.92. They are now $11.99. So price inflation is happening all around us. We're going to be using this $3 off coupon that we got in the January P&G. So it's going to bring that down to $9 after we do that. Now I'm going to head on over to the shampoo section and pick up the Head & Shoulders. I'm going to get to qualify for the spend 30. So the next thing we're getting on the spend 30 deal is going to be this Head & Shoulders. My husband likes this sandalwood. Picking 2 of these up at $12. And then I'm going to use this $3 coupon that we got in the January P&G. Now what's going to happen is we'll be able to use this $3 coupon, and then there's a $3 coupon on the CVS app that you need to load as well. Both of those are going to attach. So this $3 coupon and the CVS app manufacturer coupon will attach. So that will be $6 in coupons attaching to this Head & Shoulders. So we're at $24 with the 2 Head & Shoulders and the Tide Pod. So let's keep going. The next thing I'm getting for the spend 30 is this Head & Shoulders. This Herbal Essence. This Herbal Essence White Grapefruit and Mint is my favorite shampoo, so I try to pick this up whenever I can. These are two for $12, and then I have a $3 coupon that came off in the January P&G. There's also a $3 coupon on the CVS app, so it may work, it may not. So we're going to see if it glitches, and I can take this $3 coupon and the CVS manufacturer coupon on the Herbal Essence. Will be $6 off, but I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know at the end if it did not work. If it worked, I won't say anything. So hopefully $6 comes off of that with that coupon and the coupon on the app. That will bring us to our $30 mark, so that'll be $36, and we'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. No CRTs used. Don't go anywhere. We're still shopping. I just want to remind you guys that there's a printable breakdown in the description box. Please make sure you're using that. Also, on my previous Walmart video, I'm gonna pop up on the screen for you guys, I have a giveaway for a $10 e-gift card, so check out that video and follow the instructions in that video to get entered into that $10 e-gift card that I will be sending you guys. And also there is a coupon link in the description box that if you guys click on that coupon link and print off your coupons from coupons.com, it helps me out tremendously on my end. All right guys, let's get back to shopping. Alright, the next deal we have is another glitch on this cereal. These are $1.99. You guys know I love my cereal at CVS. My daughter actually got a cereal dispenser for Christmas, and that was her #1 present. She is a mess. Love her. So these are $1.99. I'm going to pick up two boxes. That's going to be $3.98 when I pick up 2 boxes. I'm going to use one of these dollar off coupons that I got. I can't remember when I got it. It was probably in November. I'm sorry I don't have the list on this, but this is $1 off when you buy 2, and then there's a $1 off manufacturer coupon on the CVS app that's glitching. That comes off as well, so we'll have this $1 coupon and then the $1 off on the CVS app glitching makes it $2 in coupons. So we're going to be getting this cereal just for what, 98 cents a box. So pick up 2, see if it works. Let me know in the comments if it does. This is a really great deal on the Nivea body lotion. This is a no coupons needed deal, so I love these type of deals. So these are $7 on sale, and of course we see that $3 extra care buck coming off. When that comes back, that'll be $4, and then we have a $2 coupon on the app. So that $2 coupon on the app is going to make this just $2 per bottle. So I think that's a really great deal considering these were $9.29. So like I said, $7, $3 extra care bucks, and a $2 digital coupon on the app, bringing this down just to $2 per bottle. And this can only be done one time, so can't do it multiple times on this deal. But yeah, really great deal. I'm picking this up. Next I'm getting are on these Gillette Mach 3 razors. You can get these are $9.99, or they have the Venus women's razors just like this that are $9.99. And I'm going to pick up 2 of these. It's going to add up to be $19.98 after our total, and then we're going to use 2 of these $3 coupons from the January P&G, so that's going to be $6 off. Now there are $3 coupons on the app. If you don't have these coupons, you could get one of these, and then you can get one of the women's, and it'll work out just fine and not use any paper coupons. So when you do that, that's $19.98. We have a $6 off with those 2 coupons, and then we have $10 in extra care bucks that we will get back, making this just $3.98, or $1.99 for each razor. I'm trying to look for the Gillette. Here it is. The Gillette sign is right up here. Sorry about that. So when you buy 2, you'll get back $10 extra care bucks. So using that $10 extra care bucks and the 2 coupons, the $6 coupons, you'll be getting these razors just for $1.99. And like I said before, you can use that on one of these Venus razors here that are $9.99. So you can get one of these and one of the men's and use the digital coupons on the app if you don't have the paper coupons. This deal got even sweeter because at the register it glitched and this $3 coupon came off. So our original total was $3.98. This $3 digital coupon came off, making this just 98 cents or 49 cents per razor. All right, we actually have a money maker on the paparazzi. I'm not gonna mess with the nail polish. I have plenty of that, but I would like for some of this for my treasure box in my classroom. So this paparazzi, of course, is $2.99. If you buy 2, it's only $5. It is attaching. This $4 is attaching. So that's what we're gonna do. We get 2 of them for $2.50, making it $5 when we buy 2. There is a $3 store coupon, a CRT on there on any beauty product, so we're going to use that. I'm popping up on the screen for you guys. That brings it down to $2 after we use that $3. So this is a no manufacturer coupon deal, just all digital. And then we have this $4 in extra care bucks that's going to come off when we do that. That will be a $2 money maker on the paparazzi, either hand cream or the nail polish. So $3 CRT and the $4 extra care bucks makes it a $2 money maker. All right, we're going to be picking up these Oral-B indicator toothbrushes. This is a 2 pack just for 79 cents. Now mine was not marked with a little tag, so I went up front and got the lady to scan it for me. So these are $5.79. There is a $2 coupon, manufacturer coupon on our CVS app, bringing it down to $3.79. And then we'll get back this $3 in extra care bucks. I know it's not listed, but it should be over here too. When they do take that $3 extra care buck back, it'll make this just 79 cents. Or if you kind of think about this for a moment, you're getting 2 toothbrushes, so that's about 40 cents per toothbrush. I'm picking this up today. So $2 coupon and a $3 extra care buck, making this just 79 cents for the Oral-B Indicator 2-pack. So as I'm checking out and I'm talking to my cashier, my associate, about the vitamins and how good of a deal it is, she tells me there's also a deal on the sleep aids. So I came back here, and these are the sleep aids. They're only 99 cents. These are usually $10.49. And so it says it's a limit 3 times per week. So they've got this kind with the soft gels. All right, they've got this kind in the liquid fill capsules for 99 cents. They've got also this kind. These are the mini tablets for 99 cents. So that's really awesome. So I'm going to pick up these for 99 cents. I'm going to get all 3 and go check out, because that's a really, really great deal to stock up on stuff like that. Give it away if whoever needs it later. That's $3 when usually it was going to be over $30 for these. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, we are all done with that shopping trip, and we did have some things that came off that I didn't expect. There was a $3 Gillette coupon that did come off that was on the app. So I'm going to add that actually to my total. I'm going to put it in the store coupon on the printable breakdown for you guys. So my total before coupons and everything was $151. Now, I haven't checked for anything for IBOTTA. I usually don't for CVS because there's just not that many things for IBOTTA at CVS. But $151 was supposed to be the out-of-pocket. But it was $19.69 after our extra care bucks and all of our CRTs. Now, remember, we're not getting a lot of CRTs right now. And the paparazzi lotion, it did work. I was worried about that. I didn't want to, like, you know, go in there and just get the nail polish. I'm tired of getting all that nail polish. Gillette, everything worked. Got my $10 for the spend 30 deal. It did glitch on the Herbal Essence and the Head and Shoulders. So I'll make sure I add that to my list. The Head and Shoulders, yes. And the Herbal Essence, yes. It did glitch on that. So it glitched on the Herbal Essence. It glitched on the Head and Shoulders. And it glitched on the Gillette razor. So that was really good. That was $9 more in coupons that I didn't expect that came off, because I had the paper coupons and I had the app coupons. So that was really, really good. So I worked on that, and I'm very excited about those CVS sleep aids. They only let me get 2 at a time. When I went to self-checkout just now, because I didn't want to bother them, they were already busy, and it was just those 2 things. Those sleep aids were only 99 cents. No coupons needed on those. I could go back and get another one if I wanted to, but I didn't want to mess with that. I think that's about it. I have already submitted my receipts to Fetch. Really didn't have anything on that at all. And yep, I think that's about it, guys. So I will be headed into Walmart later on today, but like I said, $151 worth of products, and we only spent $19.69. That is an incredible savings. So very excited about that. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'll be heading to Walmart, and also Wednesday is Publix. Don't forget about that. That's my favorite shopping trip of the week. I love CVS, but Publix is so much fun. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.